I, Manoj Kumar, PGT Geography. Today I am going to teach students of class 10. Today I am going to explain topic soil as a resource. Soil is a resource because it fulfills our requirements. We grow different types of crops from the soil. We also make different types of things with the help of soil, such as bricks are made of soil. With that we make our buildings, etc. In this way, soils support vegetation and fulfills our many requirements. That's why soil is also a resource. In this video, we are going to discuss what is soil, definition of soil, formation of soil, and types of soil. I request you to like, share, and subscribe this video also. Let us proceed. What is soil or define soil? Soil is the loose material on the earth's surface which supports plants and trees. In other words, the fragmented or unconsolidated rock materials found on the earth's surface which support growth of vegetation is called soil. This is definition of soil. Now we shall discuss formation of soil. Soil is formed by a natural process. This is called weathering. In this process, rocks are broken into smaller boulders. The smaller boulders are broken into pebbles. These pebbles further broken into particles, and particles mixed with humus form loose materials. These loose materials, which has ability to support growth of vegetation, is called soil. In this way, soil is formed by the process of weathering. Now we shall discuss types of soil. There are many types of soil found in India. There are 6 types of soil found in India. Number 1, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. It is so much fertile that it supports growth of all types of crops. So alluvial soil is called king of soils. Alluvial soil is formed by deposition of fine particles brought by rivers during flood. Alluvial soil is divided into 2 parts, Khadar and Bangar. Khadar is new alluvial soil. It is more fertile and found very close to the river banks. Bangar is a old alluvial soil. It is comparatively less fertile and found away from the river basin. Alluvial soil is mainly found in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, coastal Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, coastal Tamil Nadu, etc. Next, one more thing, that in this soil, alluvial soil, all types of crops are grown. Rice, wheat, maize, millets are mainly grown in alluvial soil. Next, black soil. Black soil is black in color. It is formed by breaking of the lava, and its color is black because it is formed from the lava. This black soil is also very fertile soil. One feature of black soil is that it is highly brittle. means when it dries up, it is broken itself. So it is said that black soil is the soil which plow itself. Black soil is also known as regur soil or black cotton soil. Since cotton is the main crop grown in black soil, so this soil is also known as cotton soil. Black soil is mainly found in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, etc. Next, laterite soil. Laterite soil is formed by process of leaching of mountain soil. Leaching means cutting and coming down. When rainfall takes place, soil of the mountain cuts and flow down and deposited in coastal areas. It mixes up with the soil present already there. So it forms a new type of soil that is called laterite soil. Laterite soil is comparatively less fertile. Main crops grown in it is coconut. Somewhere rice is also grown in it. Laterite soil mainly found in the states of coastal Kerala, coastal Karnataka, coastal Maharashtra, etc. Next, red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil is formed by breaking of rocks containing iron or sulfur. So, red color is due to presence of iron in it. It is comparatively less fertile, not so poor, but it can be said as a poor soil. In this soil, very less crops are grown, mostly millets, jowar, bajra, ragi, etc. grown. Red soil mostly found in the states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, etc. Next, mountain soil. Mountain soil is also known as forest soil. It is found on the slope of the mountains. Mountain soil is fertile somewhere while infertile in other areas. It depends upon presence of vegetation in the area. Mountain soil is also suitable for production of saffron and fruit crops, or somewhere rice also grown in mountain soil. Main area for our mountain soil are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, etc. Desert soil. Desert soil is also called arid soil. This soil is the most infertile soil. I mean, it is the poor soil. This soil has very less humidity, very less moisture, and it contains very less water, and fertility is also very less because humus is very less in this soil. So this soil does not have a capacity to grow plants. So somewhere millets, jowar, bajra, or maize, etc. produce in this arid soil. This soil is infertile because its water holding capacity is very less, is very poor. That's why, because of less water holding capacity, it does not retain moisture and does not support growth of plants and crops. Arid soil is mostly found in Thar desert, Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat, parts of Madhya Pradesh. In these areas, mostly arid soil found. In this way, today I discussed you about alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil, red soil, mountain soil, and desert soil or arid soil. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my video, share it, and like it.